This will be great. This will be great. This will be great. I'm just gonna keep telling myself that I'm gonna love this. This is a good decision. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. So happy to have you here. Today we are in my bathroom, which means it's time for a hair video. We are changing the hair. I'm so nervous. You guys know how attached to blonde I am. Hi Luna, Luna's here. Yeah, I have wanted to do this for so long, years, but I've been too scared to do like the half and half. I've done the half and half before. By the way, we are kind of revisiting a hairstyle that I had and a hair color that I had, like, I think it was 2012. I'll pop a photo on the screen and I'm sure you guys already saw the thumbnail, but we are like recreating my scene kid hair, but like slightly different, but like the same, but slightly different. I don't know if I'm ready to commit to bangs. So we are just going to do dark brown instead of black, even though like my soul says to do the black, but I'm also terrified. So we're going to do mostly dark brown and then a chunk of blonde in the front. So it kind of appears like the half and half. I had that hair for so many years and I loved it and I still think about it. And I feel like this is my kind of in between, not that most of you care, but my heritage journey. And I always have this feeling that something bad's going to happen. But I'm taking that back. We are refusing that because a lot of bad stuff has happened in my life and my hair's been dark, so I've been so scared to go dark. But we are taking that power back, huh, Luna? And we are saying no, but we are gonna try and, you know, my hair needs a break. Even though this chunk of hair is not gonna get a break, probably like 4/5 of my hair is gonna get a break. So I'm rambling too much, but anyway, and of course, as always, I have some wonderful extensions. Thank you so much to Irresistible Me for sending these over. I am now an affiliate with them, so I do have a special link down below. If you guys decide to try out any extensions, you can use that link. No pressure, but it lets them know that I sent you, and I earn a very small commission off of if you get some extensions. These are my absolute favorite. I have purchased these on my own before, so I was buying these before they started working with me, so I'm very happy that they want to work with me. So what I ended up getting, I wasn't sure what color I was going to do at that point, but I always know I'm going to keep some sort of brightness in there or some blonde or something, so I just went with the white blonde. These are just the royal clip-ins, so I went with like the thicker ones. I love the seamless ones, which I'll show you. I've used multiple kinds of their extensions, and I kind of go back and forth between the seamless and the royal. The royal are a little bit thicker. The only real difference is the royal are a little bit thicker, and the tops of the wefts. I kind of want like an alternative version of Megan Fox's hair, to be honest with you. Her hair is amazing. Obsessed. Ash Levi. I think it's Levi. Is it Levi or Levi? She just did her hair too, just like this, so I'm super excited. I was like, okay, I need to do it. Of course, I'll leave all the info on these down below and a link and everything. It's nice they give you a little piece that you can try, so if it doesn't work out, you can always exchange them, but you just have to only open this side because there's a sticker on this side. I have such a long torso though, you guys, so the 24 inches on me really looks like 20 inches on a lot of other people, to be honest with you. I mean, they're going to be really long, and I'm going to have them layered and everything by a professional, so they will look a little bit different when we're all done, and I'm sure you're gonna see that too. This is a whole hair journey we're going through. We're gonna bleach this part, we're gonna dye our hair, we're gonna dye the extensions, and then layer them tomorrow, and you'll get to see the final look. I'm excited. I'm excited. Okay, so this is what the top of the royal ones look like. It's just stitched over. Honestly, I like both of them for different reasons. I feel like sometimes these are better hidden, especially for darker hair because I'm dyeing these. This is going to be better hidden under my hair on the dark or the light side because it's just going to stay blonde up here. Okay, sorry it looks kind of gross, but it's because it's been dyed dark. This is the seamless, so just so you know the difference. These do lay a little bit flatter on your head. I honestly love them both for different reasons, so that's why I go back and forth between them. So this one's got like the silicone little strip. They've made it smaller too, which I do love, so I absolutely love this set of extensions. 100%. But if you're looking for like boom, sorry I bumped the camera, boom hair, like all the hair, royal is the way to go because you get 200 grams in this one, but you can get 260 grams in the other one. So let's just go ahead and jump in because I feel like I can ramble, and I've already been rambling for probably far too long for this. So I have tried my best to, my hair looks gross, by the way, intentionally need to wash it, but we're coloring it, so it's perfect. My hair, honestly, I know it looks, especially because this is left over from when it was red, I just have not been able to get all the yellow tones out, and I just don't want to destroy it anymore. So, I mean, I have to destroy a little piece, but really I'm just doing the roots, so it should be fine. This will be great. This will be great. This This will be great. I'm just gonna keep telling myself that I'm gonna love this. This is a good decision. I just want to get a little bit of length back, and I'm using some hair color that I've used before. It was actually really easy to lift it off my roots. Not that I'm planning anytime soon to change things. I'm hoping to hold the brown for a minute on most of my hair at least, so I guess I should show you really quick. As always, this is what I'm using for lightening my hair. I'm using the Blonde Me by Schwarzkopf. It's got bond enforcers in it, and then I am going to do it with some 30 volume because I've got some dark roots, and usually this is able to get my hair pretty blonde in one lift. So I'm hoping I'll get lucky with this in the toner to be able to only have to do that chunk once, but we'll see. If I have to, I do want to show you this really cute little glittery brush that I got. I went to Salon Centric and I got a pink one too. They are so cute and glittery. I need it. It's kind of really soft, so I don't know how, but we'll see. We'll see. Small things. I've got my little clips ready. And then this is mostly the color I'm going to use right here. This is Redken Shades EQ Cover Plus. This is in 4N. I went to get both of these because this is what I used on my roots before, and they only had this, so I just got this. So we'll see how it goes. But I have a little bit of 06 NA. Again, these are professional colors, so you have to have license usually to get these. But you can let your stylist know if you like the color. And then last thing, my plans are to tone the blonde and my blonde chunk of extensions with Full Bright Icy Toner. It's just a really good basic one. It works well. It'll turn pretty silver, but like not too silver, and I'm just going for like a cooler tone blonde in that one chunk. So we'll see how this goes. Whoa. Get it together, Shannon. I'm nervous. I've used it many times before. Also, I've slept way too much last night, so I'm losing my mind. But I'm gonna go ahead and mix up this bleach, and we're gonna go ahead and apply it. I'm going to figure out what chunk of hair, basically just that, but I'm gonna like section it out, and I'll see you in a minute. Okay, I think this is as good as we're gonna get. I think I've decided the chunk, basically a fourth, a little less, I think. Got my bleach mixed. It's gonna be hard for you to see, and I don't want to mess this up, so you just are gonna get the idea of. Basically, I'm gonna start not quite at the root, because I have a little bit of brown dye on here. I'm gonna see how this goes. Basically, this could totally fail. We might have to start completely over. So, with a new idea, but we'll see how this goes. Wish me luck. I'm just gonna do this because I don't want to mess it up. Okay, so basically I've put it almost to the root. I'm gonna let it chill for a little bit, and then once it starts to lighten, I'm gonna put it on the rest of the root. Okay, I put this on my head. I think we're at a good point. I'm gonna wash it out, see how it went. It's probably gonna be a little bit yellow, but we're gonna tone it, so it should be okay. I think it's gonna be okay. I think it's been all long. We'll see. Wish me luck. I'm gonna come back with like no makeup and looking crazy, so just warning. Like I don't look crazy right now, but you know what I mean. Be right back.
Hey loves, so I thought I would show you really quick how I colored some of these extensions, basically the same way that I colored my own hair. I just had to go through and figure out how I was going to section them to make sure that I had, you know, the right pieces in the right place. Right here, I'm just mixing the 4N from Redken, and oh my goodness, this is the big back piece that comes in this set. I honestly wear just this one in the back of my head because it's so thick. You can buy these separately. So if you just want like a little bit of volume, a little bit of extra oomph for your hair, they do sell this piece individually. I love it. I also love using it when I want to put my hair up. I will just put it in upside down in my hair. I have videos on how I put my hair up with extensions. So I love this piece, and this piece comes in the royal clip-ins. So I ended up using an entire tube of the brown color on this one piece alone. That can tell you how thick it is. And for once, I finally, I think in this piece, I didn't miss anything for once. And I missed something in another piece, but this piece, I know that I have to super saturate it because it is so thick, but I love it so much. So this is a very, honestly, easy extension coloring session. I just put, because each piece is solid. It's been so long since I've done something solid. So all of the brown pieces obviously are just brown. And you can see I have to kind of make sure I can get in there. I did not measure my color. Any professional stylists that are watching this, I hope you're not. I'm so sorry. But yeah, so I'm just showing you what I did. I just kind of willy-nilly'd it and, did whatever. And I've dyed so many extensions. It is what it is. So these are some of the other brown pieces. I just made it go really fast because this is really boring. But some people do really like to see this. And apparently I just was adding however much developer I wanted at whatever time. Because there are no rules in my house when I color extensions. This is a really long clip. We're going, come on, here we go. Here we go. Now we are going to mix the toner. This is the Icy Toner from Pull Bright. I almost wish that I would have gotten the natural toner instead, or maybe got both and like mixed them. But I do like the Icy a lot, and I think that it really did help neutralize some of the yellow. There are some little yellow bits still that I could lighten again. But I have not yet. But you'll see that. You'll see some of it in a minute, because like in between these things is when I went to go do that. And color extensions, this is all like in the order of operations that I did. But yeah, I'm just toning these extensions. I just left it on until it looked pretty silvery and then washed it out about 20 minutes. You don't have to leave it on that long, but that's what I did. All right.
Okay, we're looking a little rough. What is new? I have put the color on my extensions and there's some leftover brown, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw that on the brown part of my hair. It's a little bit yellow up here, but I am gonna tone it. I might have to go back in and re-lighten that one little spot where the dark brown was on my root. So we'll see, but I'm just gonna keep going with it and let it be what it is for right now. It's not gonna be perfect, but I'm not perfect, so it's fine. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and slap that 4N from Redken Shades EQ on my hair. I'm so it's going. I need to be super careful not to get it on the blonde, so honestly you're probably not going to see a lot of this part. I'll show you when I tone this, but I'm gonna put the brown on here, leave it for a little bit, and then do the toner when I have like 10 to 15 minutes to wash out, because it is a faster toner. And I'm probably just gonna put music over this, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the toner mostly where it's yellow, and then at the very last like couple minutes I'll brush it through or something like that. Fingers crossed, let's do this. Let's not mess it up. This is super scary to be using such dark color on my head, because you guys know, I mean, my natural color is there, but when you're putting a color on, it's just so much more intimidating. She's looking kind of gross right now. It starts out white, obviously, and just like changes color. I don't know if this will be enough for my head, but it might be. I don't have that much hair, but we'll see. Okay, so I got a few pieces of foil because I feel like this would be better than having it just lay on my shirt, which we'll see. Okay, here we go. No rhyme or reason. I'm just going in, you guys. Just going in. Gosh, okay. Goodbye, blonde down here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. The things this hair has seen. Twist this little edge up. Boom. Messy, but easy peasy. Keeps it in its place, you know? I am super paranoid about getting the dark on this blonde. I'm gonna do the rest off camera, but it's very self-explanatory. I'm just going to very carefully put the brown where this brown is. I'll be right back. You guys, because I curled it all up and let it sit for a while and it was a little bit damp. It looks very, I don't know, 50s. Oh, that is such a tiny piece of hair. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and tone it. I'm just going to put the toner mostly on the yellow part. And then again, at the right last minute, I will brush it through. I just mixed up a tiny bit. So right in here. You know what's up, but I feel the need to show you, even though it's really hard to look on here. I got the tiniest bit of my black hair in there when I was sectioning out, so it's not freshly dyed, so it should be totally fine to be in there. Okay, so I'm just gonna focus it on this yellow part, let it sit. Nothing too exciting, honestly. You guys probably won't see me until it's like all done. My extensions are done and everything. My extensions are halfway done. I accidentally left the toner on for too long and they're very silver, so it's fine. It'll just be black and silvery for right now. But okay, I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, loves, this is the completed hair. I just had my friend Dana layer them. I'm loving it. I feel like it's such a nice change, and it feels really different because of the darkness, and I haven't had dark hair in so long, but I really like it. Hopefully you guys are chill with it. I mean, you got to stare at it all the time if you watch my videos, so hopefully you like it too. But I'm very excited about it. I know it's not everybody's cup of tea, but hello, now you will come say hi. But it's my cup of tea, and I've always wanted to do this, so I'm really excited that I finally did it. I was gonna do, like I said, I always wanted to do like the full half and half, but I think this is just much more manageable for me. I don't know, felt right, feels good, feels good. All right, love, so this is, I just kept staring at that, but sorry, I'm just staring at my hair, so I'm staring at the viewfinder, but okay, guys, I think that's everything for this video. Yeah, obsessed with these extensions. Again, if you want to check out Irresistible Me extensions, there is a link down in the description box. It is an affiliate link. It does let them know that I sent you. No pressure to use it, but if you were thinking about it, obsessed. And I feel like once it was layered and styled, I was just like, oh, I'm obsessed. I even like it on my natural hair, even though like my natural hair is still like uneven. I don't know. I was just so over how bad my natural hair looked with like the yellow pieces that were still in from when I went red, and I just didn't want to destroy it anymore. Kids! Thanks and Luna. So you guys know the whole story, but I'm vibing. I'm happy with this. I probably should have put on something cuter, but you know, whatever. It's fine. It's fine. I'm obsessed with this sweater. You guys know that. Again, it's from Rue 21. I've been wearing it way too much. I'm sorry, guys, but I just threw it on because I was chilly and Dana was coming over to do my hair. I'm probably going to go film some other videos now. I might wait till tomorrow. I don't know. We'll see how I'm feeling. But okay, I love you guys so much. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and you want more hair content. If you want another video of how I like style my hair like this on the daily, I've done it a few times. It's nothing too exciting. I literally just use this old 1 1/4 inch curling iron from Hot Tools. That's it. And then I use the Big Sexy Hair powder play to get some volume, but I literally ran out of it. I just ordered some for a Target pickup. That's how much I need it. That's how much I need it. I need the volume, especially when you have extensions. It's to cover it. Wow, I'm rambling. I so couldn't live without it that I literally, before I even finished styling my hair, I had placed an order at Target to go pick it up. That says something about a product. But anyway, again, for the millionth time, thank you again to Irresistible Me for these extensions. Yeah, I think that's it. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Again, give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Share it if you could. It does help me out so much. If you made it to the end, let's see. I'll find an emoji and I'm going to put it on the screen. If you made it this far, that emoji, leave it in the comments. All right. I love you guys so much. I will talk to you soon. Bye. Let me not lose my new piece of hair. What are you doing, Shannon? Get it together. Don't lose it. You need this. That's not going to work. I don't know why I thought that was a good idea. Okay. So I just have to be super duper careful. I don't know. Whoa. As I knock this over. So I need to go eat a snicky snack, to be honest with you.